Hey students, it's Mr. Davis again. This time I'm going to be teaching you how to do the web page on Wix for the About page. So let's get right to it. If you've worked on this before, you know that once you log in, all you have to do is click on the site actions and go to edit site. And remember, while we're waiting for this to load also, that everything that you need can be found in that section. So the logo, certain information can all be found in the Wix section, and you just look for materials and you can find what you need. So now we're in the DJ turntables. We've already done the menu. Let's see what the About page asks for. So the About page is asking for you to make section A a large title, the most prominent thing there. It says title prominent. Now we're gonna make section B a paragraph section, and we will basically enhance where it says contact us right here. We're gonna underline and bold that. Let's scroll down to see more. Okay, so the next page is gonna be my story. So let's go over to the About page right now. So we're on the About page, and there's nothing here but, you know, the little records. So what we can do, first things first, it says music up here. We're going to take advantage of this. Remember to always keep your font size consistent on each page and your font. Okay, let's go to the About page. We're going to move this up. Move the sign that says music down. So I'm gonna copy where it says it's all about you. This is our client saying it's all about his clients when it comes to his music. He serves the client, and we want to show that through our design. So we're gonna double click the text, or let's do right click, edit text, Command or Control V. Let's do Command A or Control A to select all, and we're gonna change the color to black, and then we're gonna give it a highlight of green to match our theme. So this is supposed to be the most prominent thing on your website. So to correct it from being, you know, second to this one right here, we're gonna make this a little bigger. It's already 50. Let's make it like a 70, 80. Yeah, let's make it huge, because now it's a graphic image. It's not even just a title. The client wants it to be huge, so it kind of sticks out overall, you know. Okay. I'm gonna delete this one only because it's taking away from the title. Alright, so now we have this little blurb down here. The client wants us to basically create a designed area for his text. So let's delete this video from the other template. Let's delete his content because we won't need that. Let's move the strip down. We could also delete this strip. We don't really need it. There we go. Clean. Now we can see everything we need to see. Now, let's go to text. I'm a paragraph. Double click. Edit text. Command or Control V to paste, and there we are. That's the first part, just pasting, just getting the information on the page itself. We can't see it yet, of course, because there's no background that distracts from the other background. So let's click the plus. Let's go down to where it says box. We either use this box, this is our regular box, but I think it's gonna get a little boring if we keep using the same thing over and over. So let's use shapes. I want it to feel like the guy's having a conversation with all his clients. So what I'm going to do is click on the little text box right here. You know, I'm always trying to do something different with my clients so each page feels different and not like I'm just doing a cut and paste. So I'm gonna take this box, stretch it out. I'm going to move it to the back so now the text is in front of it. Move backwards. There we go. Okay, so now we see it. We can kind of see that there's the contrast between the regular words and that box is not working. So we're going to change the color of the text. To white, or a color that's lighter so it just shows some contrast. Let me see. Let's stretch it a little bit. Okay. There we go. So now we're going to change the color of the box. I'll make this one fit the theme. There we go. Ooh, now this doesn't work. Okay. Sometimes when you're designing things, it's kind of like a trial and error. It's not always going to be perfect as soon as you do it. So you got to keep trying out different themes or different colors or different layouts until something for you works. Something sticks. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Alright, so in the book, the client is saying, to enhance the page design, add an image that illustrates something about DJ Turntable's history. If you read a little bit here, you're going to learn that his parents basically were musicians and he started with the saxophone. So what I'll do, I will go back into my WIX, I'll click the plus, and I'm going to find an image of a saxophone or something really jazzy and old school. Sometimes clients really like that kind of stuff, you know, when you take a piece of their history or their story and then put it into the design they want, because it's kind of like saying, hey, I see you, and I'm not just giving you a regular old template, something boring. I'm going to give you something different. Let's see, is this loading a little slowly? For this part, I'm just going to fast forward so you guys don't have to sit through me kind of rambling and moving the elements back and forth. So now I'm just looking for different events that would be DJ'd. What is that? Because what you want to do is create a feeling for your client, and that's that's kind of the whole mood of the project itself. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Please remember to tune in for the next video for your next assignment. See you guys later.